ay artista at puhunan mo ang muka at yung katawan, minsan makakatanggap ka ng hindi mo gusto at baka ma-sideline ka. So ingat lang. No? That's what we tell celebrity players. Okay lang, pour your heart out. Pero may puhunan ko. Kasama yung mukha mo rin eh.
Gawin saves it to Aston. Aston. And Aston will head to the line for two.
Yeah, another close-up opportunity kasi maka-close-up siya. Diba ganun yun eh? No, we will not inset you. We will pull we'll have you do a full close-up para makasenyas ka dun sa fans mo. He will go to the line now, si Aston. That just cramps. And look at that. A moment for the fans. Give them the I'm okay sign in a close-up. Minsan yung ganyan, maganda ring opportunity. Nako-close-up ka eh. So, yun.